Number 6. I'm smart.
Skip2mylou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. So I was on YouTube this morning and I saw several videos on how to make yourself prettier or more attractive. And I did a video a long time ago, 10 ways to be prettier. And for those of you who know me, yeah, I put things like smile, stand up straight, be more confident. That video having been a while ago, I wanted to see if maybe there were some new ways to look attractive. Well, after seeing a lot of fill in your eyebrows, get this haircut, wear these clothes, I found, oh yeah, 8 ways anyone can look more attractive according to science. Anyway, in today's video, we are going to go through those 8 ways to look more attractive. Number 1. Can anyone guess what that might be? Whiten your teeth. White teeth are a sign of good health. People are innately attracted to those who are healthy. Therefore, white teeth looks good. Number 2, get voluminous hair. Wait, let's see if I can make myself more attractive right now. There, instantly, fantastic. Again, with the health thing, voluminous hair means thick, healthy hair, at least by sight. If you have fine, thinning hair, which is what you get as you get older, that is not a sign of health. And vitality, yeah. So there's another one that just shows you being and looking healthy is attractive. Let's see what the next one is. Number 3, take care of your skin. That's an easy one. When someone sees you, they automatically, of course, see your skin and the condition of your skin, whether it's smooth or ruddy, whether it's young or old. Nice smooth skin is youthful, and we think of youthful as attractive and healthy. So take care of your skin. Number 4, have red lipstick ready. Ready for what? It was found, I don't know who found it, but they said if you wear red lipstick, attention is drawn to your lips and they will be looked at 7 seconds longer than non-red lips. Anyway, although I didn't read this, recently I learned in one of my psychology classes a long time ago that a woman's lips represent their business, and when you add color to it, it's supposed to represent something gross. I don't want to go on with that. Number 5, wear a red dress. Much like the lipstick, the color red is seen as very attractive. In fact, people rated the same person more attractive in the picture where they wore red as opposed to when they wore another color. I'm off to the store for some red stuff. Number 6, mimic. Hold on, please. I need some lip gloss. Not red. Because I don't want to attract anyone right now and have them stare at my lips for 7 seconds. Anyway, mimic. Yeah, I already knew this one, and this is because, again, psychology classes, when you mimic someone or mirror whatever they're doing with their hands or their face or their body, they subconsciously notice. And since people are inherently in love with themselves, they're gonna like you because you're doing what they're doing. Anyway, I was taught this for job interviews. Yeah, you kind of do the same thing that your interviewer is doing. Unless, of course, they're, don't do that. Number 7, accentuate your symmetry. I did a whole video on symmetry and looking in the mirror, and it is a known fact that every person is not symmetrical, not perfectly symmetrical anyway. What this means is if you cut your face in half and flip it over, it's not going to look exactly like your face, same as the other side. So if you know that you have one eye that is bigger than the other, accentuate the bigness in the smaller one. If half of your lip is shaped differently than the other side, of course, draw it in the same as that side. I have one eye that is more hooded than the other, and that is the reason I wear lots of eyeshadow. Yeah, that's my excuse. Number 8. Oh, I guess we're at the last one. Anyone want to guess what this is? It's very easy. Well, not easy to do, but it's easy to guess, and that is have confidence. Confident people tend to look others in the eye and have open body language, not to mention saying what's on their mind. I've been accused of that a lot. Anyway, what that means is this confident person's behavior inspires trust. I find this one difficult. I am not a confident person. I don't want to say pretend, but I often try to come off as one. I don't think I do a very good job. But sometimes if you even pretend to be confident, you might start feeling that way. Just like if you smile when you're not happy, you might start to feel a little bit better. And smile was not on this list. I guess white teeth might have something to do with, you know, the smile thing. So here's what you need to do all at once to be so attractive. Whiten your teeth, give your hair some volume, take good care of your skin, put on red lipstick, put on a red dress, make sure to mimic whomever you are speaking with. Don't forget to accentuate your symmetry, even those things up. And lastly, be confident. I have to say, and not because this stuff is scientifically backed, I agree with most of this list. White teeth, yes, I find that far more attractive than yellow. Voluminous hair, yeah. When I look at other women that have just lots of good hair, I'm a little jealous, and I do think they're attractive. Take care of your skin, yeah, that's a good one. Red lipstick, I don't think I look very good in red lipstick. Let me go get some and try it, excuse me. Got one. Let's give this a whirl and see how attractive I am. Has this ever been opened? No. Oh, there we go. Ooh, fresh, new. Here we go. I really don't feel like that does much for me. Not at this time in my life. I wore red, like almost blue red lipstick when I was in my early 20s. It looked good then. Put on that red dress. I don't have one. Mimic. Yes, that works. Accentuate your symmetry. You heard me. Do it. Be confident. Sure, I'll give that a whirl. You know what else red lipstick is good for? That. Yeah. Anyway, you guys, that's it for this video on 8 ways to look more attractive, backed by science. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos. Bye, guys.